Most people believe that as time passes, the body slowly wears out, that aging means damage. And once something goes wrong, it cannot be reversed. But there's a powerful biological truth that very few people truly understand. Your body is repairing itself every single day. Right now, at this very moment, old cells are being broken down and removed. New cells are being created. Damaged tissues are being replaced. Your skin renews itself roughly every month. The lining of your gut rebuilds itself every few days. Your red blood cells are replaced every few months. Even your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. So when people begin to feel more tired, inflamed, mentally foggy, or physically weaker over time, it's usually not because the body has stopped working. It's because the body doesn't have what it needs to repair itself. Think of your body like a repair workshop. The workers are present. The tools are ready. The system knows exactly what to fix and how to fix it. But if the necessary materials never arrive, the repair simply cannot happen. Today, we're going to look at 3 simple everyday foods that research shows can support your body's natural repair system. These foods are affordable, easy to find, backed by science, and yet often underestimated in their true impact. Let's begin with a food that has been misunderstood for years. Superfood number 1, eggs. Eggs are considered one of the most complete and nutrient-dense foods in nutrition science. In fact, they are often used as a reference point to measure the quality of other proteins. And there's a reason for that. Protein is the foundation of repair. Your body is built from protein. Your muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, and even your immune cells depend on it. Every single day, your body breaks down old or damaged proteins and replaces them with new ones. But if you don't consume enough high-quality protein, this repair process slows down significantly, especially as you age. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in the exact balance your body needs. This makes egg protein highly efficient. Your body can absorb it easily and use it effectively. But here's where many people make a mistake. They throw away the yolk. The yolk is actually where most of the nutrients are found. It contains vitamin A for skin and immune health, vitamin D for bones and immunity, vitamin E for antioxidant protection, vitamin B12 for nerve and blood function, and one of the most important nutrients many people are lacking, choline. Choline plays a critical role in brain function, memory, and nerve signaling. It also supports liver health and helps regulate fat metabolism. Research has shown that many adults do not get enough choline in their diet, and low levels are linked to cognitive decline and poor metabolic health. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of this essential nutrient. Now, let's address a common concern, cholesterol. For years, eggs were blamed for increasing heart disease risk. But modern research tells a different story. For most healthy individuals, dietary cholesterol from eggs does not significantly increase cardiovascular risk. Your body actually needs cholesterol to produce hormones, build cell membranes, and create vitamin D. When you eat cholesterol, your liver adjusts its own production to maintain balance. In simple terms, Eggs are not the enemy. They are one of the most powerful tools your body can use for repair. Now let's move to the second food, Greek yogurt and kefir, the gut repair connection. If eggs provide the building materials, Greek yogurt and kefir help your body use those materials more effectively. And the key to that process lies in your gut. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, often referred to as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms play a massive role in your overall health. Research shows that the gut influences your immune system, inflammation levels, nutrient absorption, and even brain function. In fact, a large portion of your immune system is directly connected to your gut. When your gut is out of balance, you may experience fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, increased inflammation, and weaker immunity. And when inflammation is high, the body's repair processes slow down. This is where probiotics come in. Greek yogurt and kefir contain beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These probiotics help strengthen the gut lining, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. And there's another advantage. Greek yogurt is also high in protein, especially casein, which digests slowly and provides a steady supply of amino acids for muscle repair and maintenance. This makes it especially beneficial for older adults, active individuals, and anyone recovering from stress or illness. However, there's one important detail many people overlook: sugar. Flavored yogurts often contain added sugars that disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and reduce the benefits. That's why choosing plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt or kefir is essential. A healthy gut doesn't just help you digest food better. It helps your entire body function more efficiently. Now, let's look at the third food, bananas. Simple but powerful. Bananas may not seem impressive at first glance, but they play a crucial role in supporting your body's repair system. One of the key nutrients they provide is potassium. Potassium is essential for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, heart rhythm, and maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. Many adults do not get enough potassium, which can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, cramps, and irregular heart rhythms. Bananas are one of the easiest and most accessible ways to increase your potassium intake naturally. They also provide quick, usable energy. The carbohydrates in bananas are easily converted into energy by the body. When eaten alone, they can cause a quick rise in blood sugar, but when paired with protein or healthy fats, they help maintain steady energy levels. This makes them ideal for starting your day, recovering after physical activity, or preventing energy crashes. But there's more. Bananas also contain prebiotic fiber. Unlike probiotics, which add beneficial bacteria, prebiotics feed the good bacteria already living in your gut. This helps improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and strengthen gut health over time. So bananas don't just fuel your body. They support the system that controls repair. Now, let's bring everything together. Eggs provide the building blocks your body needs to repair and rebuild. Greek yogurt and kefir improve how your body absorbs and uses those nutrients while reducing inflammation. And bananas support your muscles, nerves, energy levels, and gut health. Together, these three foods create a powerful foundation for faster repair, better digestion, reduced inflammation, and more stable energy. This isn't a trend or a complicated diet. It's simply giving your body what it needs to do, what it was designed to do. Your body is not broken. It is intelligent, responsive, and constantly working to heal itself. But it can only do that when it has the right materials. Food is not just fuel. It is information. And when you consistently provide your body with the right signals, it responds quietly, efficiently, and powerfully. Simple foods, backed by science, supporting real repair.